All right, I appreciate you clicking on the video. So this is a 2026 Sea Ray SDX 250 Surf Edition. So the Surf Edition just gives you the ability to use this boat in all sorts of water sports or just driving it around, especially surfing. So let's take a walk around it. The color is called Horizon. So you can see the hull side colors Horizon with the black bottom. We've got the nice tow bar up top. As we come along here, you can see these surf plates on the back here, and those will adjust depending on which side you like to surf on. And then we have the Mercury. This is the Bravo 4S for surf. This is a reverse drive, and it's a 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower engine. You also see right here, we do have underwater lights as well on this boat. So let's take a look at the interior. All right, thanks for joining me aboard. So first I want to see the swim platform here. That is a drop down swim platform. So if you're just hanging out, you can drop that down in the water and kind of hang out and chill. We've got nice big sun pad back here. We've got some nice storage underneath here, batteries, battery switch, and all your information down there. As we walk in, we got a nice walkthrough. That is a built-in cooler right there as well. And right before we walk in, I want to take a look at these board racks. These are pretty nice board racks. They just get adjusted in and out, just like that. So whatever board you have, it'll fit right on there. And this does rotate right where it is. It rotates out, it rotates in. Very flexible. Walk into the boat. We've got nice seating all the way around, nice U-shaped seating. Both backrests in these do move forward and back, here and here. So if you want to face one way or the other, you can do that. Storage underneath all the seats, cup holders, speakers, places to charge phones. Then as we come up to the helm, we do have a nice double wide helm seat with a bolster. And then this does come with the dual SIMRAD screens. So you can have information on both. Right here you can see this screen is set up for water sports or surfing in particular. We've got information right here on just some basic stuff, docking lights, underwater lights, running lights, bilge, blower, all that information. And then we got the digital throttle. This does have active trim, so the boat will trim itself automatically if you turn that on. And then the digital throttle is phenomenal to work with. And then we got the door right here into the head. You can see it's got a nice head in here. You got a sink as well. You can close this and lock it. I can keep this open with air, or I can shut that right up. Storage over here. We've got the Fusion stereo system head unit right there. And then as we come to the bow, we've got nice wraparound seating here in the bow. Again, cup holders, grab handles. Great space for 25 feet. Again, this is a 2026 Sea Ray SDX Sundeck 250 Surf Edition. Great boat if you want to get out on the water and do a little bit of everything. So it is here at our Rogers location. Stop on by anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment.